Hi and welcome to another solution overview by Maverick AV Solutions Tech Data. Today we're going to talk about the Microsoft Surface Hub 2S. Microsoft Surface Hub 2S is Microsoft's all-in-one device for group collaboration. Microsoft Surface Hub 2S is a digital whiteboard, but also online meeting platform, and it is a full Windows Teams operating system that can run the Microsoft apps, but also third-party apps. When we look at the device, first thing we see is this beautiful 50-inch 4K plus signature Surface 2:3 ratio interactive display. Surface Hub 2S is often pictured on a mobile trolley because it weighs only 27 kilos and is easy to move around. And if you want to have full collaboration with zero boundaries, you can also buy the optional APC battery, which allows you to collaborate from anywhere. Now let's take a look at the start screen. On the start screen you will see a couple of options. And these are actually the basic needs that you have in every collaboration space. For example, you want to present your content in the room or in the huddle space by using the Connect. You can have your whiteboard for co-creation or just working together. And you can also start a Teams or Skype for Business video meeting. Microsoft Surface Hub also has its own calendar, so that means that you can invite the solution in your meeting and then you can walk up to the device and actually join. And what you can see now is that it's calling the participants in the meeting. If you look here, you can see that there are those familiar Microsoft Teams icons. If I want to call somebody, for example, let's call Diego. We can just type in his name, push on the button, and I know that Diego wouldn't be joining us today, but you can see it's very easily to do so. I might have already said this, but it also works with Skype for Business. So I've chosen Microsoft Teams as the primary video app on this Microsoft Surface Hub 2S. You can also see Microsoft Surface Hub has a 4K 90-degree horizontal field of view camera, built-in microphone arrays, stereo speakers, and a bass module at the back of the display, which is actually a great meeting room solution. Now let's have a look at the Microsoft Whiteboard, which is actually the heart of the solution. As you can see, it's a very reactive, very precise and fluent digital whiteboard. You can change your colors very easily. You even have this rainbow feature, which is awesome. And there's this feature called Ink to Table or Ink to Shape, which will allow you to draw symbols and then have them change to squares. You can add tables very easily, so if you want to work together, there's always a possibility. Sticky notes. No whiteboard is complete without sticky notes. You can change color, you can write on them very easily. And a feature that I really like is the artificial intelligence. So for example, when we are working together, we're writing something down, I can use the AI feature and actually make it better for everybody to see in the meeting. And then the third piece that I want to show you is how to wirelessly connect to Microsoft Surface Hub. Remember those basic needs. You want to present something, you want to present your own device. I have my Surface Book right here, and by using Windows K, I can actually very easily find the Maverick Hub 2S, which is the friendly name of the device, and use Miracast to wirelessly present my content. And not only wirelessly present, but I also have full touchback, meaning that this is now a very large personal Surface device. I'm going to disconnect. Now the last bit that I want to talk to you about is actually, and this is where the magic happens, when you sign in to the device and access your personal documents. So you have this button, which is My Meetings and Files. You can sign into the device, and I've invited the Surface Hub to participate in this meeting, and you can see that it shows my name. And I'm using the passwordless sign-in, so I will get a notification on my personal device, which I can use to log into the device without using my password or typing in my password for everybody to see. And as you can see now, I am logged into the device. This is my personal calendar, so this was it for today. And I also have access to my recent files. So for example, if I want to open an Excel sheet, I can actually do so very easily. It's single sign-on, which means that I just need to hit continue and it will actually log me in to any application. So I hope this illustrates how powerful the solution is in a collaboration context. Last thing, and this is, I've logged into the device, I've done presentations, I've done collaboration with other people. There is this end session or reset function. At the end of your session, you just completely wipe the device, which means there is no access to your personal documents anymore. It comes back to the default way of working, which is very secure and very easy to manage. There are just two more things that I want to add to this. Microsoft Surface Hub 2S is also available now with Windows 10 Pro or Windows 10 Enterprise. And if you love Microsoft Surface Hub 2S, as I do personally, but you want it bigger, there is an 85-inch also available. This was my product presentation on Surface Hub 2S. I hope this shows it's a great solution to enable collaboration using the Microsoft apps, Microsoft tools, Microsoft Teams, and even Skype for Business. This is available at Maverick AV Solutions Tech Data. If you have any questions or you want to have a discussion around Microsoft Surface Hub or an in-depth demo, please don't hesitate to contact us. We'll gladly help you. Thank you and hope to talk to you soon.